and hello to everyone. Welcome to Khmer Healthy Cooking.
Today, what are we going to cook?
So today we are going to cook a colorful papaya salad. So for the ingredient we have papaya and carrot, kangkong, long bean, salt, tomato sauce, peanut, tomato, Thai basil, fish mint, lemon, soy sauce, garlic and chili. So first we need to pound salt. Can you pass me garlic? Garlic and chili. For chili you can use for option. So pound it until it becomes small.
And what can we put next?
Soy sauce and tomato sauce. And then mix it together. So it is mixed now. Can you pass me the papaya and carrot? So we need to put kangkong and long bean all together.
Why you don't put tomato first?
Because the tomato is soft. If we put first, it will become small and not look good.
And what should we put next?
We need to put tomato, Thai basil, and fish mint. Then pound it again. So now we need to put a peanut. And then mix it together. So it's mixed now. We need to put lemons. And then mix it again. Now everything is done, so we need to serve the food. Can you pass me the plate?
Oh, look colorful. I can't wait to taste it.
So now the food is done.
Wow, it looks colorful.
I hope that you guys will enjoy making this at home because it is healthy and easy to make it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and ជម្រាបលា